Everybody say imagine. Imagine is a very, very powerful word. According to Albert Einstein, discoveries are 99% imagination and 1% success. Okay, imagine is a non-offensive word. Hindi mo kagad nire-recruit yung tao, pinapa-imagine mo lang. Guys, for the next few seconds, imagine yung buhay mo 5 years ago. For the next few seconds, imagine yung sasakyan mo kung meron ka a few years ago. For the next few seconds, imagine your goals, imagine your dreams. Sumali ka sa Global, imagine your goals. Imagine the things that it can bring to your life. Imagine the life that you can have. Imagine the life that your kids are gonna have. Imagine the life that you and your partner will be having if you have this power. 5 years from now, imagine your life. Nasaan ka na kaya? 5 years from now, gaano kalaki grupo mo, Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao? 5 years from now, nakarating na ba sa Nigeria grupo mo? 5 years from now, nakarating na ba ng UAE, ng Hawaii, ng Thailand, ng Vietnam, ng Asia ang grupo mo? Imagine is so powerful. If you will imagine daily, it will make your focus better. If you will imagine daily, it will make your vision clear. Mas maliwanag mong makikita yung mga pangarap mo. If you will imagine every day, your passion in this business will be so much more as compared to today. So all you need to do at times is to imagine regularly. You visualize, you imagine things. Wala namang masama kung mag-i-imagine ka. Tama po ba? Can't you remember when you were still young? Ang sarap mag-imagine. Meron kang matchbox, 4, iba-iba kulay. Sabi mo, paglaki ko, 4 din ang magiging sasakyan ko. Nangyayari po ba yun? Di ba? Paglaki mo, ay, mahirap lang pala kami, tricycle driver lang ako. And then you stop imagining things. That's the sad thing with us. When we stop imagining, we stop growing. Now, if you're gonna imagine every day, if you're gonna imagine every week, you imagine your dreams, you imagine your families, you imagine your goals, you imagine everything that you want to be in your life, you can fastly and steadily achieve an income that will buy into your dreams. And I'd like to finish this with a story. There was this young boy. Grade 5 siya sa isang mababang paaralan ng Francisco F. Benitez. School sa Makati. Grade 5 tong batang to. And as a boy, merong tinatawag na Boy Scout. Familiar po ba kayo sa Boy Scout? Etong grade 5 na batang to, naging Boy Scout. Sabi niya, gusto ko one day maging scout leader ako. Sad to say, dun sa school nila, ang mga nagiging scout leader lang, grade 6. Eh siya grade 5 lang. So hindi siya pwede maging scout leader. So there was a time, nagkaroon ng gathering lahat ng Boy Scout. Inter-district, there were literally thousands of Boy Scouts in those convention. Ang sinabi ng scout master, yung pinakamataas na Boy Scout na medyo may edad na, okay guys, develop and organize your group. Lahat ng grade 6, magkaroon kayo ng kanya-kanyang grupo. Create your own team. Create your own group. And this young boy, na grade 5 lang, sabi niya, how I wish, how I imagine na kahit grade 5 lang ako, may grupo ako. Kahit grade 5 lang ako, maging scout leader ako. Now, this is a true story. Yung mga grade 6 na grupo-grupo na. Yung isang grade 6, sabi niya, tayo, tawag sa grupo natin, Tiger Team. Tayo, tawag sa grupo natin, Lion Team. Tayo, tawag sa grupo natin, Dragon Team. Nagkaroon ng maraming grupo-grupo. Ngayon, itong grade 5, natira siya. Tapos may natira din ng mga ibang mga estudyante. Mga grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, yung mga 4 na taon na nag-grade 6. Ngayon, magkakahalo sila doon, nakatayo lang. Walang kumukuha sa kanila to be part of the group. Ngayon, sabi ng scout master, bakit wala kayong kagrupo? Sabi ng isa, scout master, wala pong kumukuha sa amin, ayaw yata nila sa amin. Sabi ng scout master, tinuro yung boy. Ikaw, anong grade mo na? Scout master, grade 5 lang po ako. Pwede na yan. After 1 year naman, mag-grade 6 ka na. Ikaw, ang siyang scout leader, scout master ng grupo mo. Bahala ka. Gumawa kayo ng grupo, pangalanan mo yung grupo mo. Di yung boy, after imagining all of these things, tuwang-tuwa siya sa wakas. Scout master na ako, scout leader na ako, pwede na akong bumuo ng grupo. Yung mga kagrupo niya, yun na nga, yung mga dapat high school, grade 4 pa rin. Tapos yung iba masyadong bata, grade 3, grade 4 lang. Sinabi, sige ako leader ha, ang pangalan ng grupo natin is Scorpio Team. Sabi ng mga bata, bakit Scorpio? Kasi nakuha na nila lahat ng mga pangalan May dragon na, di ba, meron ng tiger, may lion na. Tayo, Scorpio na lang. Kasi during that time, uso yung Scorpio Knights. 1972. Totoo po ito. I was telling you, this is a true story. Ngayon, dumating yung Scoutmaster, yung matanda. Pagdating ng gabi, sabi ni Scoutmaster, guys, we will play a game. We will play a game. May hawak na stick yung Scoutmaster. Ngayon, the game is like this. Kapag tinuro ko yung stick sa grupo nyo, you will create the sound of your group. Yung Scoutmaster, tinuro dun sa Dragon Team. Sabi ng Dragon Team, Rrrr! Yung Scoutmaster, tinuro sa Lion Team, Rrrr! Yung Scoutmaster, tinuro dun sa Monkey Team, Meow! Ngayon, naubos na lahat ng team. Ngayon, pagturo ng Scoutmaster dun sa grupo ng Scorpio Team, pinagpapawisan na sila. Sabi ng mga groupmates niya, leader, ano ba tunog ng Scorpio? Sabi, wala, tahimik yun anong gagawin natin para tayo mag-iingay? Hindi gaganto na lang tayo. Sabihin natin, ba't di kayo maingay? Tahimik nga kami, pero makamandag naman kami. So ano nangyari? Pagturo ng Scoutmaster, dun sa grupo ng Scorpio Team, wala silang ingay. There were no noise being made by those group. Gumagano lang sila. Tawanan ngayon lahat. Tawanan lahat ngayon ng grupo. Sabi nila, walang tunog. Tapos sabay-sabay sila, di ba yung wala kaming tunog, makamandag naman. And sadly, sabi ng Scoutmaster, yung matanda, ano ba naman klase yung grupo nyo? Ang dami-daming hayop na may tunog. Ba't kumuha kayo ng hayop na walang tunog? Kayo yung mga tira-tira sa grupo. Kayo yung mga dapat high school na, nasa elementary pa. Tapos yung leader nyo, grade 5 pa. Malamang, sa lahat ng grupong to, kayo yung walang mararating. Sabi ng Scoutmaster na matanda. And this young boy, keep on imagining things. Hindi, there will come a time. Mananalo din tayo sa mga race. There will come a time, mabilis din tayo makakagawa ng bonfire. There will come a time, if we keep on imagining things, we will be the best group in our inter-district conference. Years and years passed by. This young boy, he grew up without a father. This young boy grew up without a father. He became a doctor. He married a doctor. This young boy who grew up as a doctor partnered with Francis Miguel. He partnered with John Asperin. And this young boy created the largest and most powerful MLM organization in the Philippines.
Yes!
And soon, the MLM organization in Asia, and soon, the MLM organization in the world.
Isang milyon! 2 milyon! 3 milyon! Milyong palakpak!
Ladies and gentlemen, what I'm asking you to do is to imagine. What I'm asking you to do is to imagine. Because deep within me, there's always this young Boy Scout who keeps on imagining things every day. Someday, we're gonna start in Nigeria. Someday, we're gonna start in Indonesia. Someday, we're gonna start in Malaysia. Someday, we're gonna conquer the whole world. And we are accomplishing it step by step, day by day, week after week, month after month. My name is Doc Ed, and I'm a Boy Scout, and I'm telling you, imagine every day. Thank you very much. God bless our company.
1 milyon! 2 milyon! 3
Milyon palakpak!
Milyon palakpak! para sa
Dr.
ating presidente.
Ed Habando!